Hey everybody, this is Corey from ThinkBrain, and I'm going to give you a video and show you how to install this app into your Shopify theme. Okay, so nobody else does this in the Shopify store, and I felt like it would be necessary just to give you a little bit of a hands-on approach to show you how easy it is to actually put this in your theme. Now, we're opening up two different windows. I have the theme, and I also have the app. So I'm going to switch here. This is the app. This is the app settings. So we're actually in the home page. We're going to click on the settings file, and we're going to open in another tab, the themes. If you do not feel comfortable putting this code on a live site, which I completely understand, then what you want to do is you want to click on actions, you want to click on duplicate, and it's going to create a duplicate theme. That way you're going to give you some time to test it before it actually goes live. I'm just going to edit live on this theme. I'm just going to show you because it's already installed. So what we're going to do is we're going to click here. We're going to edit the code. But if it was down here, you can click again, actions, edit code. And it's going to open up the code editor. And you're going to look at the theme liquid file. So all you need to do, and oh, I forgot to mention too, when we first open up the app, SEO enabled is on by default. So you want to make sure that is not checked if you were editing on a live site. If you're not editing on a live site, then you can put it on here and then you can test it on your duplicate theme. Okay, so yeah, we're going to keep that off just to show you. And then what we're going to do is we're going to take this information right here. We're going to copy it. Now, by the time you see this video, this may not say deep link, it may say ThinkBrain. We're doing that for just consistency purposes, but you're going to copy this and you're going to add it to your clipboard. You're going to open up your theme liquid file, make sure that is the one that is selected. And we recommend putting this in your body tag. So if you want to look at what we did, so you're going to find your head tag, and you can either do that if you have a really long theme file, you can do Command F, you can type in /head and it will show up. Okay, and then you're going to see right underneath it is the body tag, and you can see here for us, we put it right there. Okay, now there was a section here that we found that looked good, so we put it right above this main tag. If you look below it, you can see the footer is actually placed right there. So I recommend putting it just above the footer. So you're going to have to play with it though. If you have lazy load, if you have pagination, you're going to have to find the perfect spot for it. If you're doing pagination, I would recommend putting it above it. You can research other websites and see what they're doing and how they're placing it, but typically it's above the pagination. So once you're done with that, when you put that there, you're going to click save. Okay, so once you get that done, then you're going to go through our other videos. You're going to learn about how to add content. I'm going to give you some SEO tips so you can be a SEO wizard. All right, thank you so much for watching, and thank you for using this app.